At some point in our educational careers, we have all completed a Venn diagram. So we know that these are used to compare and contrast various things. Today, for instance, we are going to be comparing the Mayans, the Incas, and the Aztecs. Now, over the last 2 weeks, we have spent a great amount of time filling in our 8 common factors charts. And that is going to serve as what goes in the big circles, okay? Your big circles are your independent or single amount of facts. So like wherever the Mayans are, okay, it would go inside this circle. Now the problem with this is you have recorded so much information that you would run out of room, and we don't want you to have to record it more than once because you have already written it or typed it all down onto your 8 common factors charts. So first, I'm going to show you how to add your 8 common factors charts to this presentation. So you should have one of these. You've already made a copy of it and dropped it into your into your folder, excuse me. I'm going to use the Mayans as an example. Let me just move this. Okay, so you're going to click into whatever 8 common factors chart that you're going to do first, and I just happen to pick the Mayans. And guys, if you haven't noticed, the color on the chart matches the color on your Venn diagram. So we are going to click the share button, okay, and you're going to change it so it says anyone with the link can view, and then you're going to copy that link. Okay, you're going to hit done. Now you're going to go back to your Mesoamerica comparison chart, and I want you to highlight the word, right click, and you are going to hit link. You can also highlight it and click the link button up here. Now, because we're going to be linking our 8 common factors chart for the Mayans, we're going to paste that in there. And then please try and just change the color back to the black so that we can read it. Okay, and the underline here means that it has been successfully linked. That way, we, your teachers, can go ahead and, we can go ahead and know that you've completed the chart. And again, we just don't want you to have to fill in the circles multiple times. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and click present because this is probably also one of the more important parts, is our comparisons. So to do the 2 comparisons between 2 civilizations, you're going to click on any of the red squares in the presentation mode. Okay, we're going to have you click this button to bring you to a page where you can compare the Incas and the Mayans, or the Aztecs and the Incas, and then the Mayans and the Aztecs. Now, the reason why we're not having you do the charts, because again, you do not have a whole lot of space here, and we want you to be as detailed as possible. We have spent so much time on this assignment that it's really important that you understand their similarities and differences. So I'm just going to click 1, and it brings you to the place where you are going to go ahead and record that. Okay, and then the last portion is the place where you would record the similarities between all 3. And you're just going to click on the yellow circle in the center, and that will bring you to the page for the comparison for all 3. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to any of your teachers.